In this video, we will discuss 2020 question paper, Political Science. Question number 51. All aspects of luck, including natural ability, should be irrelevant to distributive justice. This statement refers to the concept of option C is correct, luck egalitarian. Now, question number 52. Which among the following is not a salient feature of individualist anarchism? Option D is correct, organicism. Question number 53. The theory that the earth is best understood as a living entity that acts to maintain its own existence is known as option D is correct, Gaia hypothesis. Question number 54. Which among the following countries have no written constitution? Option B is correct, New Zealand. Now question number 55. Which among the following form of government is ideal for Machiavelli? Option A is correct, republic. Question number 56. Which of the following thinker did not believe in women equality? Option B is correct, Aristotle and Hegel. Now question number 57. In the consideration on representative government, J.S. Mill did not elaborate upon. Option B is correct, protection of minorities. Now question number 58. Aristotle's ideal state is always Plato's second best state. Who said this? Option A is correct, G.H. Sabine. Question number 59. Which one of the following is not the function of state according to Kautilya? Option D is correct, empire building only. Question number 60. Agni Sutta is related to, option B is correct, Buddhist philosophy. Question number 61. Which one of the following party firstly joined by EVS Ramaswamy Periyar? Option B is correct, Indian National Congress. Question number 62. The concept of credible minimum deterrent relates to which one of the following types of weapon? Option C is correct, nuclear weapon. Now question number 63. Who gave the idea of the New North concept of power to analyze the relevance of non-aligned movement in the post-Cold War era? Option C is correct, A.P. Rana. Now question number 64. In which one of the following subject Rajya Sabha has got more power than the Lok Sabha? Option B is correct, creation of a new All India service. Question number 65. Which article of the Indian Constitution is associated with judicial activism? Option C is correct, Article 21. Question number 66. Who among the following was strongly opposed to the idea of Panchayati Raj system in India? Option A is correct, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 67. Which one of the following statement is false about the Indian federalism? Option C is correct, it reflects the spirit of coming together federation. Question number 68. Who has given originally the idea of Hindu Rashtra? Option A is correct, V.D. Savarkar. Question number 69. Who among the following characterized the Indian polity as being stable, not in the sense of a stationary unresponsive state, but in terms of a regulated movement? Option B is correct, W.H. Morris Jones. Question number 70. Who among the following was not a member of the syndicate group of the Congress party? Option D is correct, Y.V. Chauhan. Question number 71. A formal organization according to Chester Burnett comes into existence when, option A is correct, there are persons who are willing to contribute action. Question number 72. The concept of traditional authority involves, option A is correct, use of authority by virtue of their inherited status by persons. Question number 73. Which one of the following factors did not contribute to the evolution of the scientific management theory? Option D is correct, proper job design and economic incentives of worker. Now question number 74. Which one of the following statement about the Consumer Protection Act 2019 is not true? Option D is correct, it ignores mediation as an alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Question number 75. Consumer Protection Bill 2019 was passed by the Indian Parliament on, option C is correct, 6 August 2019. Question number 76. Hegemony refers to, option C is correct, the capacity of the bourgeois to displace rival views and become in effect the common sense of the age. Now question number 77. Who among the following rejected scientific determinism and advocated political and intellectual struggle? Option A is correct, Antonio Gramsci. Question number 78. Which one of the following indicates the nature of planning in India in contemporary times? Option C is correct, perspective planning. Question number 79. Who among the following was it or is the first chairman of Niti Aayog in India? Option C is correct, Narendra Modi. Question number 80. Who among the following has presented the incremental model of public policy? Option B is correct, Charles E. Lindblom. Now question number 81. Which one of the following is not a theory or model of representation? Option D is correct, consensus. Question number 82. According to Greek system of classification of regime, the degenerative forms of rule by many is known as, option C is correct, anarchy, democracy, mob rule. Now question number 83. Who among the following is often portrayed as the father of cultural nationalism? Option D is correct, John Gottfried Herder. Question number 84. Which one of the following is not a cause of democratic shift in the context of democratization? Option D is correct, media. Question number 85. Who among the following reformulated Hans de Morgenthau's sixth principle of political realism from a feminist perspective? Option B is correct, J.N. Tickener. Question number 86. The combination of liberal democracy and the market had been drawn a finishing line in the history of political and social development. Who made this statement? Option C is correct, Francis Fukuyama. Question number 87. Which one of the following is the executive bureaucratic arm of the European Union? Option B is correct, the European Commission. Question number 88. Which one of the following is not a principle of jus ad bellum, just recourse of war? Option D is correct, humanity. Question number 89. Who among the following is not a key figure of conservatism? Option A is correct, T.H. Green. Question number 90. In which one of the following countries constitutionalism as a power sharing mechanism is not practiced? Option A is correct, Germany. Question number 91. Which among the following is not an element of G.A. Cohen's thought on the theory of socialism? Option B is correct, genuine fraternity promulgated by the liberal egalitarians. Question number 92. Which one of the following statements are true about the dependency theory? Option C is correct, A and C. A. Dependency theory was strongly influenced by Marxists and non-Leninists who were critical of development theory. C. Development in the third world was dependent on development in the already developed nations. Question number 93. Which one of the following statements are true about the authoritarianism and totalitarianism? Option D is correct, A, B and C. That is, in authoritarian regime, government is not constitutionally responsible to the public. Authoritarian regime may institutionalize and legitimate. Totalitarian regime seek to control and transform all aspects of the state, society and economy. Now question number 94. According to Aristotle, which one of the following statements are correct? Choose the correct option from the codes. Option D is correct, A, B and C. That is, polish should be large enough to guarantee self-sufficiency and small enough to ensure good government. The polish was natural and prior to the individual, not chronologically but teleologically, and polis is the highest and most comprehensive of human associations. Now question number 95. Marx's concept of alienation labor include, option D is correct, A, B and C, all of the above. That is, alienation from the product, alienation from the process, alienation from the species and alienation from the nature. Now question number 96. Given below are the statement about the difference between passive resistance and satyagraha. Which one of the following are true? Option A is correct, A and B. That is, passive resistance is weapon of the weaker section. Satyagraha never desired to terrorize the opponent. Passive resistance is negative in practice, whereas satyagraha is positive in morality. Now question number 97. Jayaprakash Narayan formed which one of the following parties? Option D is correct, A, Congress Socialist Party and Praja Socialist Party. Now question number 98. Fatwa-e-Jagirdari of Ziauddin Barni is related to. Option B is correct, that is, A only, advice to the Muslim kings in order to earn religious merits and the gratitude of the subjects. Now question number 99. Which one of the following statements are true with regards to Pandita Ramabai? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct, that is B and C. She was a pioneer in the field of education and emancipation of women in India, and she was the writer of the High Caste Hindu woman. Now question number 100. Which one of the following countries did India participate in the peacekeeping operations? Option D is correct, all of the above. That is, Korea, Gaza Strip, Cyprus and Lebanon. Now question number 101. Which one of the following features of the Indian political system are false? Option C is correct, B and D. That is, supremacy of the parliament and indestructibility of the states. Now question number 102. Which one of the following are civil society organizations? Option D is correct, A, B and D. That is, Bachpan Bachao Andolan India Against Corruption, and Mazdoor Kisan Sangharsh Samiti. Now question number 103. Which one of the following statement regarding women's movement in India are true? Option C is correct, that is C. Sarojini Naidu and Annie Besant raised the issue of right to vote for women, and Tilak's Ganesh Utsav were mainly aimed at drawing women into national movement. Now question number 104. Who among the following provide the structural functional perspective on the nature of the Indian state? Option A is correct. A. Morris Jones and B. Rajni Kothari. Now question number 105. Which one of the following are the characteristics of prismatic model of FW Riggs? Option B is correct. All of the above, that is formalism, heterogeneity, overlapping, and bureau of the office. Now question number 106. Which one of the following are associated with the notion of governance? Option D is correct. B and D. B is participatory democracy and D is change oriented democracy. Now question number 107. Which one of the following statement are true about the concept of governance? Option B is correct. A, B and C, that is, it does not simply means rule or administration. It has a specific meaning in the context of globalization, and it is the manner in which power is exercised. Now question number 108. Which one of the following term is referred as the software of the state? Option B is correct. Accountability. Now question number 109. Who among the following regarded state as a necessary evil? Option B is correct. Thomas Paine. Question number 110. Who among the following is not a postmodern thinker? Option D is correct. Herbert Macruse. Now question number 111. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct. That is The Age of Consent by George Monbiot. Pericon by Michael Albert. Spectres of Marx given by Jacques Derrida, and No Logo given by Naomi Klein. Now question number 112 is match list 1 with list 2. Option D is correct, that is Security Complex given by Barry Buzin, Common Security given by Palm Report of 1992, Security Community by Carl Deutsch, and Security Regime by Robert Jervish. Now question number 113 is same match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. Bipolarity is most stable distribution of power given by Kenneth Waltz. Interests are defined as power given by Hans J. Morgenthau. States seek to maximize the relative power given by John Meschmeyer. And justice, law, and society have no place or are circumscribed in international politics given by Thucydides. Now question number 114 is which one of the following characterize international criminal court? Option A is correct. A and B, that is the Rome Statute established ICC as court of last resort, and ICC can exercise jurisdiction only when national courts are unwilling or unable to investigate or prosecute. Question number 115. Which one of the following characterize shallow or reformist ecology? Option C is correct. A, B and D, that is reformist ecology seek to reconcile ecology with capitalist modernity. It recognizes limited to growth, and it considers damage to environment as an externality or social cost. Now question number 116. Which one of the following statement is true about the International Monetary Fund? Option B is correct. C and D, that is critics sees IMF as political arm of neoliberal globalization, and the IMF is not a specialized agency of the UN. Now question number 117. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct, that is Hannah Arendt give the human condition, Frantz Fanon give the wrench of the earth, Mao Tse-tung give the Little Red Book, and John K. Galbraith give the Affluent Society. Question number 118. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct, that is Gitanjali is devotion of God, Gora is analysis of the multifarious social life in colonial India, Sadhana is the realization of life, and Ghare Bhare, the home and the world, is the deeper meaning of life in the backdrop of the Swadeshi movement. Question number 119. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. Shimla Accord is Indira Gandhi. Act East policy on Narendra Modi. India's peacekeeping in Sri Lanka in Rajiv Gandhi tenure, and Lahore Declaration by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now question number 120. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. Shankar Dayal Sharma's tenure is from 1992 to 1997. R. Venkataraman's is 1987 to 1992. Pratibha Patil's is from 2007 to 2012. And Pranab Mukherjee's from 2012 to 2017. Now question number 121. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. Narmada Bachao Andolan launched in Madhya Pradesh. Chipko movement launched in Uttarakhand. Apiko movement launched in Karnataka. And Chilka movement in Odisha. Question number 122. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct. Madras is in by M.S. Raja. Hyderabad ruled by B.R. Verma. Mysore leader is Murugesh Pillai. And Nagpur is Vithoba Raoji. Question number 123. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct, same. Policy science is given by D. Lerner and Harald Larswelle. Principle of administration given by W.F. Willoughby. Administrative behavior, a study of decision-making process in administrative organization given by Herbert Simon. And the science of public administration, 3 problems given by Robert Hale. Now question number 124. Arrange the following freedom mentioned in Article 19 of the Constitution in order of their appearance. Option B is correct. First is the assemble peacefully and without arms, then form association or union, then move freely throughout the territory of India, and last is practice any profession. Now question number 125. Arrange the following parliamentary committee in the order of their formation. Option C is correct. First is public account committee, then estimate committee, then committee on public undertaking, and the last is departmental standing committees. Now question number 126. Arrange the following foundational elements of India's foreign policy in order of their appearance. Option D is correct. First is the Panchsheel, then Indo-Soviet Treaty of Friendship, then the Gujarat Doctrine, and the last is Luke-East policy. Now question number 127. Arrange the works of Karl Marx in ascending order. Option C is correct. That is Communist Manifesto first, then the Capital, Das Kapital, then the Critique of Gotha Program, and the last is Economic and Philosophical Manuscript. Now question number 128. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. Politics and Market given by Charles Lindblom. The Power Elite given by C. Wright Mills. A preface to Democratic Theory given by Mancure Olson. And the Logic of Collective Action given by Public Good and the Theory of Groups is given by Robert Dahl. Now question number 129. Who called 1857 revolution as the first war of independence? Option C is correct. A is correct. V.D. Savarkar. Now question number 180. Assertion, reason. Assertion, Swadeshi, boycott, national education, passive resistance were the means of protest used by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Reason, boycott was accepted to be an effective weapon by Tilak. Option A is correct, as both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now question number 131 is assertion, reason. Assertion, the idea of governance gained in prominence by connoting a plurality of rules in place of states' monopoly. Reason, the idea of governance owes its origin to the World Bank. Option A is correct, both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now question number 132. Statement 1. Globalization has helped in deepening of democracy in India. Statement 2. Globalization has deeply impacted the Indian society. Option D is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Now question number 133. Statement 1. Chaudhry Charan Singh was the only Prime Minister in India who did not face the Parliament. Statement 2. Passage of no confidence motion in Lok Sabha leads to the ouster of the government from the office. Option A is correct. Both the statements are true. Question number 134. Statement 1. India has deliberately been christened as a union of state instead of federation of state by the Constitution. Statement 2. The word union does indicate a particular type of federation that constitution maker envisaged for the India. Option A is correct. Both the statements are true. Now question number 135. Statement 1. A country's foreign policy is the product of its history. Statement 2. Core values of Indian national movement constituted the building blocks of the India's foreign policy. Option A is correct. Both the statements are true. Question number 136. Statement 1. M. N. Roy considered the economic interpretation of history propounded by Marx as misconceived and imperfect. Statement 2. M. N. Roy argued that the real form of social and economic process is not determined merely by type of material resources. Option A is correct. Both the statement are true. Now question number 137. Statement 1, oligarchy is a government dominated by few. Statement 2, Robert McKenzie formulated the iron law of oligarchy. Option C is correct. Statement 1 is correct, but third is incorrect. Now question number 138. Statement 1, social democracy combines elements of liberalism and socialism to reconcile freedom and equality. Statement 2, social democratic regimes use the system of neo-corporatism wherein policy making involves the state, labor and the business. Option A is correct as both the statement are correct. Now question number 139. Statement 1, every constitution has a philosophy of its own. Statement 2, for the philosophy underlying Indian constitution we must look back into the historical objective resolution moved by Pandit Nehru. Option A is correct, both the statement are true. Now question number 140. Statement 1, Chester Burnett defined organization as a system of consciously coordinated activities of two or more persons. Statement 2, Chester Burnett supported the viewpoint that men is mainly motivated by the economic incentives. Option C is correct. Statement 1 is correct, but 2 is incorrect. Now question number 141 is a passage. So question number 141, which one of the following is reflected in the phenomena of representation? Option A is correct, great hope during an election campaign. Question number 142, what is an obvious outcome of an election? Option C is correct, office of a representative. Question number 143, Athenian and Aristotelian understanding of democracy means. Option A is correct, political order depending on the deliberative powers of the citizens. Question number 144, what takes place above the head and behind the backs of the people? Option 4 is correct, legislative compromise. Question number 145, why could have representatives felt proud of what they have accomplished? Option B is correct, they made the decision that lead to the compromise. Now question number 146 is next passage. The right claim against the state are considered as. Option A is correct, fundamental rights. Question number 147, the idea of right against the government becomes very useful when the society is divided into majority and minority on the basis of. Option C is correct, race. Question number 1948, the strong rights lead to be. Option B is correct, permitted. Question number 149, which one of the following is a weak right? Option A is correct, right to property. Question number 150, last question, the right that can be curtailed to achieve common welfare may be called. Option D is correct, weak rights.